Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Gears of War 3 on PC. It's important to understand that this particular installment was exclusively launched for the Xbox 360 console. Consequently, an official PC version was never developed or released. While some individuals explore unofficial avenues, these can be quite intricate and might not deliver a consistent or enjoyable gaming experience. For a guaranteed smooth experience, exploring other Gears of War titles officially supported on PC is often the best path. Many entries in the Gears of War series have made their way to personal computers, accessible through various official digital storefronts. However, Gears of War 3 stands out as one of the few that has not received an official PC release. If one were to attempt playing it on a PC, it would generally necessitate the use of third-party software. Furthermore, such methods demand a robust and high-performing computer system to achieve anything close to a satisfactory gameplay experience. For those considering unofficial avenues, having a powerful PC is absolutely essential. You would need a high-performance processor and a dedicated, capable graphics card to handle the demands. It is generally recommended to have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for a smoother experience. Additionally, keeping your operating system fully updated can help with compatibility, and a stable internet connection is often beneficial for acquiring any necessary components or updates. Instead of navigating the complexities of unofficial methods, consider the many excellent Gears of War titles officially available for PC. For instance, the Gears of War Ultimate Edition provides a beautifully remastered version of the original game. You can also enjoy the more recent installments, Gears of War 4 and Gears of War 5, which offer modern gameplay and stunning visuals. These official releases guarantee a stable, supported, and thoroughly enjoyable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.